Hi guys, and welcome back to the very first video of 2018 on my channel. So as you guys already know by the title, this video is going to be about the Glamego subscription box. So this is my first box from Glamego and this is a January box. I just happened to receive this box this morning. So here I am, that I'm going to review this box with you and I'm going to open this box with you. So this is how it looks like. It has your address and everything on the top. Let me quickly open this up for you. Alright, so here's the box. So it is like a gradient effect on the top of that with some girls dancing, and because it is January, it says hashtag no resolutions, just like I said in my last video of the last year, that is December. So I said that I don't believe in resolutions as well because I don't end up completing that at all. So it has a lot of stuff mentioned behind, like talk less, booze less, no pubbing, size 0, less Instagram, everything which is not possible, right? So let's forget about that. So the packaging look quite cute. When you open the box, there's no it is not taped or anything when it comes. It's just like open, just like so. And let's open it. Let's see what we see here. So first of all, you have this card like this. It says thanks for making Glamego India's #1 beauty box, and then it mentions all the products that are there with the price. So there are 4 products that you receive and these are it. So I'll show you one by one, and let me also see what exactly it is in the box because I'm just opening it with you guys. So the first product that you get is this. It is a Bio Bloom Face Radiance Oil, which is at a price of $14.99. It is mentioned right here. Hello. So it is mentioned right here at the back of your card that you received, that what exactly is the price and what the product is and how you can use it. So you don't really need to search things on it, though it is mentioned on here as well. So it says it is for $1,499 and it is one of the top organic brand launches a premium face oil for radiant skin, suitable for all skin types. So even if you have oily skin, you can go ahead and use that, is what the product claims. And secondly, it says how you can use it. You take 2 drops of oil in clean palm and apply before your day cream. If you stepped or crossed 18 years, this is the right time to start slowing the process of aging in the most natural way. So I love facial oils these days. I used to use night creams and moisturizers a lot before, but I'm not into face oils, and I use these especially at night and before my makeup, which keeps my face smooth, especially during the winter season, because it kind of becomes dry when it comes to areas like these corners or a little areas on the face, and then the foundation becomes kind of patchy. So it says it is age defying and radiance booster, 100% natural. So you can just take it from the pump and I'll show you how it looks like. It's like maybe a drop of it. It's very smooth. Look how it looks like. Especially during the winters, it's nice, and even during the summers you can use it at night and sleep, and kind of moisturizes during the night. So the quantity of this oil is 15 ml, which goes on for a long way because you just need like a few drops, maybe 2 or 3. So I think it is a great product. So let's move on to the next product now. So the next product that we have is a natural bath and body vital nourishment cream with grapefruit and vitamin C, your lighter, whiter, brighter fix. And this is how it looks like. This is a sample size, and the quality on this one is, let me quickly check, it is 20 ml. This is from Natural Bath and Body. So this cream helps in removing blemishes. So how you can apply is a peanut size amount to face for a perfect moisturized skin. So what I will be doing is I can use this during the day, and the oil during the night is how I use my creams. So it is all packed right now. So let me quickly open this and see the texture of this. Okay, so I'll be using on my other hand on here. Let's see how it is. So I took it on the back of my hand and Like it's not like very thick, it kind of just, you know, seeps down in your skin. So I think it's good during the day. It smells great though. Great during the day, and also during the summers you can use it because you don't want your skin to be like really oily and you know, that moisturizer to be lying on your skin. So I think that's going to be really nice and makes your hand really soft. Like that's nice. So let's move on to the another product now. So the next product that we have is from BioBloom again. It is a handmade soap. It says it is in lavender. Just matches my dress and all, like all lavender right now. I personally love lavender, and it has ingredients like glycerin, coconut oil, palm oil, safflower oil and lavender oil with sorbitol, that is a moisturizer. So this one doesn't say anything about the pricing on this, but it says that it is going to be a skincare or makeup product up to 350 rupees. You can get anything. It's not necessary that you get the same product for the January box. So this is the third product. Next, move on to the last and the fourth product, which I'm really excited about because it is a full-size product. This is it. I hope you guys can see it. So it says it's a Bella Voste, the Perfect Lip Gloss. And let me quickly open this for you. It says it's in the shade Turf Tan. So it's gonna be something brown. Oh yeah. Look at this. This is really nice. This is a nude shade, but it is a lip gloss. Just shake it a little bit. Looks like it came down. And the price for it is, it says it's for 599 rupees. That is a great deal. The weight is 3.2 ml. So with the lip color, it gives you a moisturized and a plump lip because it is a gloss and it is highly pigmented, which is a great thing about it. It is Italy formulated lip gloss. It has this applicator right here. And let me see. Okay, so once you apply it, it's not that light. If you can see that, that is just one swipe. Okay, it's a little closer. So if I'm going to darken it, so it does have a very good pigmentation as well. The thing is that it is a full-size product. I am really excited to try this one out. Maybe in my next video, like I don't know. On my Instagram handle is right here. You can follow me on that, and you can see. I'll be trying this lip gloss very soon. So this is the New Year Glamego Box 2018. So like you guys saw, it has 4 products. The packaging was really cute. Now let's go ahead and talk about how you can go ahead and get this box. So if you want to go ahead and buy this box, you can simply go on to the glamego.com website. I'm going to list that down right here somewhere, and also in the description box so that you can quickly just, just click on it. Next, they have a few subscription plans, like 4 of them. So 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So the 1 month is for 399 rupees, and then if you go for that costs you 329 rupees for a box. And then for the 6 months, the deal is going to be really nice because it's going to be 299 rupees for a box for 6 months, and then 12 months is the lowest, which comes down to 289 rupees a box. And the great thing is that the shipping is included. So these are the 4 options that you have, that you can go ahead and subscribe on their website. Like I said, it is glamego.com. So it takes like 7 working days for the delivery. Depends on where exactly you are. They're going to ship the product, but 7 working days is the maximum time. And I think that will be all about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one now. Bye!